Pondicherry is one of the most preferred tourism destinations in India. It's a quiet little town on the southern east coast of India with the blend of French colonial heritage and Tamil culture. The cosmopolitan flair, the tree-lined boulevards, the endless stretches of virgin beaches, tranquil backwaters, the surprising choice of restaurants serving melange of cuisines, Auroville and Matri Mandir, Sri Aurobindo Ashram, the Botanical Garden, Bharati Park and I.E. Mandapam, great monuments and memorials, statues of French and Indian stalwarts, temples, churches and mosques, and a lot more reasons to call Pondicherry a paradise. The estuary of Shankarabharani River, locally known as Chunnambar, is situated 7 kilometers from Pondicherry town, just about a 7-minute drive along the Cuddalore-CR highway. This tropical paradise is flanked by a quiet flowing creek. From the estuary of Chunnambar, blessed by nature, is a 3-kilometer long sprawling, tranquil backwater bay. Thanks to the tides that maintain the bay water serene, clean and fresh throughout the year. The entire bay is enriched with fishes, crabs, prawns and oysters. Lush green with thousands of coconut and other trees crown the beauty of the bay. The property is shadowed by thousands of coconut and various other trees. The tourists' most preferred Paradise Beach is located on eastern side of the bay. The state-owned boathouse serves leisure and adventure boat rides to Paradise Beach, located northwest of Chunnambar estuary. Of course, this is a paradise within the paradise. Experience another paradise of Mother Nature on Earth.